Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom, and welcome to another simple tutorial video on this channel. And today I'm going to show you how you can make your Twitter, or also known as X, account private. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, go to your Twitter application, and it is also known as X, as you know. And now after opening the apps, go to your profile icon on top of your left screen, click here, and here you can see settings and support, expand that option, and after that select settings and privacy here, and here you can see privacy and safety option. Click that option here, and on top of it you can see audience and tagging. Select that option, and here is the option that you want to enable: protect your post. After enabling this option, only current followers and people you approve in the future will able to see your post, and I'm gonna turn it on. And in this way this account will be private, and only your followers will see your post, and other won't see your post. So in this way you can make your Twitter account private. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you, and if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next video.